take me through there. Take me through there, 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 take me through there.
The difference is I run businesses. If I ain't employ you, then what your business is? I have staff roll up like what the business is.
I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body.
I just want that feel good.
From the back, get body. Back, get body. Back, get body. Back, get body. From the back, get body. Back, get body. Back, get body. Back, get body.
Okay, you guys, so now we're at the waxing portion, and I'm not even gonna talk because if you guys have been keeping up with me and my maintenance, y'all already do know that I make sure I do my waxing, okay? And I'm also gonna sugar my legs as well, but I don't think I'm gonna put that here in this vlog. If y'all want to see it, I believe I did that in my vlog with, which vlog did I do that in? Just go, matter of fact, just go watch all of my vlogs because I wax, sugar, do my facials, all of that. So that's what we're about to get into tonight. Also, I'm on YouTube Live, so make sure y'all keep that bell button on and check me out on YouTube Live.
What the hell? 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 What the hell I did? What the hell? What the hell y'all? What the hell? What the hell Barry? What the hell? What the hell Burton? What the hell? What the hell Brian James? What the hell? 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 What the hell?
If you see my hair, you already do know it is hair appointment day. I'm currently waiting on some food because I have not eaten all day. Literally woke up late, washed my hair, and then got on the road because let me just tell y'all, people in Charleston is tripping. I have never in my life paid $300, $400, $500 for some braids. I get inflation, but y'all are tripping, and I'm not paying it. So I will travel every time. Like the most I ever paid for my hair to get done is $200, and that's what the tip included. And we about to go ahead and start this hair appointment.
I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel. Can't say it didn't surprise me. Last time I looked to my right, you niggas was standing beside me. How can some people I love hang around pussies who try? What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Let's go. What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Let's go. What did I miss? Let's go. Let's go. I'm whipping around on like 600 acres. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You niggas just better not ask for no favor. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's love for my brothers and debt to a traitor. Let's go. She might decide to say no to me now, but say yes to me later. Let's go.
Now we're about to get into the facial portion of the video, and my face has been super dry, like extremely dry. So I'm probably gonna do more exfoliating like in my skin and my face and stuff like that. Sorry y'all if I sound congested. I feel like I'm coming down with something. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this facial. Hey y'all, so this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry I didn't give y'all an intro. I've been kind of like really busy, and I just wanted to get content out to y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.